Hey, my name is Aaron Dallas and this is tutorial about the programming language iteration. What is iteration and how it works? Let's check this example. So what I have here is my main function and code and a terminal here. What this example does, it declares a mutable I variable which is equal 0, then it prints I variable, adds 1 to this variable, prints and repeats it 5 times. Okay, and when we run this example we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 printed to a console. Now, what if you need to do this 100 times? This is what is called iteration, when you're running exactly the same code multiple times, which means 2 times or more. The way we can solve it is we can use a loop. And the way to declare a loop is like this. This is the first loop type, which has initialization, condition and updater. Next type of loop is just a condition loop. So there's no initialization or updater. Yes, and the third type is endless loop. We will start with first one. So let's convert our example that we have to this type of loop. So we would declare here I equals 0, and by default all variables declared in initializer of loop are declared as a mutable, so we don't need to write here mutable keyword. They are by default mutable. Then in condition, so condition is when the loop should stop. Think of it this way, so loop will be running while this condition is true, while I is less than 5. And updater we need to add 1 to our I here. And inside of loop we will print I variable. And when we run it we see that the output is exactly the same as we had before. Now, condition loop. How would we convert our example to use condition loop? We will leave print here. And instead, initialization should happen before the loop. So we would do like this. We would declare a mutable I variable, which is equal to 0. And updater happens in the end of the loop. So we will place I plus equal 1 here. So let's run this example and see that the result is exactly, we need to replace condition with actual condition. So while I is less than 5. So when we run it, we see that the result is exactly the same. And now endless loop. Endless loop has no condition, no initializer or updater. And the loop should stop itself in the end of the loop. So if I more than equal 5, then we break the loop. And break is the expression which breaks the loop, stops the loop. So when we run it, we see that the output is exactly the same. This is how the iteration works in the programming language. Thank you for watching, see you soon.